How old are you now?
96.
How old are you now?
On April 28, 1924, an ordained Church of Scotland missionary and teacher, David Kaunda, had his 8th and last-born son in the name of Kenneth David Buchizya Kaunda. Kenneth Kaunda was born at Lubwa Mission in Chinsali in Mchinga Province. As a youth, Dr. Kaunda founded the African National Congress ANC party and later became the head of the United Nations Independence Party UNIP, which helped in liberating Zambia from the British colonial rule. He ruled the country for 27 years before losing power to Frederick Jacob Titus Chiluba of the Movement for Multi-Party Democracy MMD in the 1991 multi-party elections.
Despite it being a one-party state, it was a very wonderful one-party state. That's why it's called one-party state participatory democracy.
Today, Dr. Kaunda celebrated his 96th birthday, which was however restricted to a few family members due to the outbreak of COVID-19 in the country. President Edgar Lungu was present at Dr. Kaunda's residence in State Lodge area to convey his birthday wishes to the founding father of the nation.
The Africa must be united, Africa must be emancipated from the yokes of colonialism in whatever form. So, sir, a day like this cannot pass unnoticed. It will be folly to do so. God will not forgive us. So, in saying happy birthday, sir, we brought you a token here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
In his usual jovial mood, Dr. Kaunda joked about his age and thanked the president for showing up on his birthday.
We can make it 69. If presidential decrees are allowed. Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
It's 96. For avoidance of
Only 96.
Only 96. Yeah.
May the good Lord God Almighty continue to go and guide you and all your friends. A wonderful show you have displayed. A wonderful show. May God continue to bless and guide you all the way, all the time. For Zambia and for Africa.
President Lungu presented his gift and pledged to continue leading Zambia as a sovereign state to greater heights.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cheche. Happy birthday to you.
Matthews Msukwa for Zanis at State Lodge in Lusaka.